Welcome back to Total Vigor, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. Today, we're diving into the topic of losing belly fat in just 1 week, right from the comfort of your own home. But before we jump into the nitty-gritty details, let's set the stage for why this topic is so important. Importance of a healthy lifestyle and fitness goals. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is crucial for overall well-being. By setting fitness goals, you not only improve your physical health but also boost your mental and emotional well-being. Losing belly fat is not just about aesthetics, it's about taking care of your body and feeling your best every day. Benefits of losing belly fat. Shedding excess belly fat goes beyond just looking good in your favorite outfit. It can significantly reduce the risk of various health issues such as heart disease, diabetes, and high blood pressure. Additionally, achieving a flatter stomach can skyrocket your confidence and self-esteem, leading to a more positive outlook on life. Tease achievable results in a short time frame. Now, I know what you're thinking. Can you really lose belly fat in just 1 week? Stick around, because we're about to share some effective tips and tricks that can help you see noticeable results in a short amount of time. Get ready to kickstart your journey to a healthier, happier you. Let's take a closer look at your current lifestyle and habits to understand how they may be contributing to stubborn belly fat. It's time to assess and make some positive changes for a healthier you. Encourage assessment of diet, exercise, and stress levels. First things first, it's essential to evaluate your diet, exercise routine, and stress levels. Are you consuming too many processed foods? Are you staying active enough throughout the day? How are you managing stress? These factors play a significant role in the accumulation of belly fat. One effective way to assess your eating habits is by keeping a food diary. By jotting down everything you eat and drink, you can identify patterns, triggers, and areas for improvement. This simple practice can help you make more mindful choices and steer clear of unhealthy eating habits. Emphasize realistic goal setting and commitment. Setting realistic goals is key to achieving long-term success in losing belly fat. It's important to be honest with yourself about what you can realistically achieve in a week. Remember, sustainable changes take time and commitment. Stay focused, stay motivated, and stay committed to making positive changes for a healthier lifestyle. Now that we've assessed your current habits, it's time to create a balanced and healthy meal plan to support your journey towards losing belly fat. Let's dive into some key guidelines to help you make nutritious choices and achieve your goals. Include a variety of whole foods. When it comes to fueling your body for fat loss, focus on incorporating a variety of whole foods into your meals. Opt for nutrient-dense options like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber to support your overall health and weight loss efforts. Practicing portion control and mindful eating is crucial for managing your calorie intake and promoting satiety. Be mindful of serving sizes and listen to your body's hunger cues. Eating slowly, savoring each bite, and avoiding distractions can help you better regulate your food intake and prevent overeating. Highlight the importance of hydration and avoiding sugary drinks. Staying hydrated is key for overall health and weight management. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day to support digestion, metabolism, and energy levels. Be mindful of sugary drinks like soda and fruit juices, as they can contribute to excess calories and hinder your belly fat loss goals. Opt for water, herbal teas, or infused water for a refreshing and calorie-free beverage option. Ready to kick your belly fat loss journey into high gear? Let's design a targeted exercise routine that will help you burn fat, tone your core muscles, and sculpt a stronger, leaner physique. Get ready to sweat it out and feel the burn. To effectively target belly fat, it's important to incorporate a well-rounded workout routine that includes cardio, strength training, and core exercises. Cardio workouts like running, cycling, or dancing help burn calories and boost your metabolism. Strength training exercises, such as squats, lunges, and push-ups, build muscle and increase your overall calorie burn. Core exercises like planks, crunches, and Russian twists specifically target the abdominal muscles for a toned midsection. For maximum fat-burning results, consider incorporating high-intensity interval training, HIIT, into your workout routine. HIIT involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief rest periods, making it a highly efficient way to torch calories and improve cardiovascular fitness. Try incorporating HIIT workouts like sprints, burpees, or mountain climbers to elevate your calorie burn and challenge your body. Encourage consistency and gradual progression in workouts. Consistency is key when it comes to seeing results in your belly fat loss journey. Make a commitment to regular exercise and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts over time. By staying dedicated and pushing yourself to new limits, you'll not only burn fat but also build strength, endurance, and confidence in your fitness journey. When it comes to reducing belly fat and improving your overall well-being, making sustainable lifestyle modifications is key. Let's explore some practical recommendations to support your journey towards a healthier, happier you. Quality sleep and stress management play crucial roles in both weight loss and overall health. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to support your body's recovery and metabolism. Additionally, practice stress-reducing techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, or yoga to help lower cortisol levels and prevent stress-induced weight gain. While structured workouts are important, incorporating regular physical activity into your daily routine is equally beneficial. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, go for a walk during your lunch break, or engage in active hobbies like gardening or dancing. These small lifestyle changes can add up to significant calorie burn and contribute to overall fitness. Staying motivated on your belly fat loss journey can be challenging, but remember that progress takes time. Celebrate small victories, set realistic goals, and stay focused on your long-term health and well-being. Don't hesitate to seek support from friends, family, or a fitness community to stay accountable and motivated along the way. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Together, we can achieve great things. As you embark on your journey to lose belly fat in just 1 week, it's essential to establish methods to track and monitor your progress along the way. By staying accountable and aware of your achievements, you can stay motivated and make informed decisions to reach your goals. One effective way to track your progress is by taking measurements of your waist, hips, and other key areas where you want to see changes. Additionally, snapping photos of yourself at the beginning of the week and comparing them as the week progresses can provide visual evidence of your transformation. Keeping a progress journal to log your workouts, meals, and feelings can help you identify patterns and make adjustments as needed. Throughout the week, take time to reflect on the challenges you've faced and the adjustments you've made to overcome them. By recognizing obstacles and finding solutions, you can continue to progress towards your goals with resilience and determination. Remember to celebrate every small victory along the way, whether it's completing a challenging workout, making healthier food choices, or resisting temptation. By acknowledging your achievements and staying focused on the end goal, you'll stay motivated and inspired to keep pushing forward towards a healthier, happier you. As we wrap up our discussion on losing belly fat in just 1 week, let's recap the key points and inspire you to take action towards a healthier, fitter you. Remember, the journey to a flatter stomach and improved well-being starts with small, consistent steps. We've emphasized the significance of a balanced nutrition plan, targeted workout routine, and sustainable lifestyle modifications in achieving your belly fat loss goals. By fueling your body with nutritious foods, staying active, and making positive lifestyle changes, you can pave the way for a healthier, happier you. Now is the perfect time to kickstart your journey towards a healthier lifestyle. Take the first step by implementing the tips and strategies we've discussed today. Remember, progress is a process, and every small effort counts towards your ultimate goal of a stronger, more confident you. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips, motivation, and guidance on achieving your health and wellness goals. Together, we can support each other on our journeys to a healthier, happier lifestyle. Let's make positive changes and transform our lives for the better.